Annual financial statement is popularly known as the budget. It is presented to Parliament by the Finance Minister each year on the first working day of February. Under Article 112 of the Constitution, a statement of estimated receipts and expenditure of the Government of India has to be laid before Parliament in respect of every financial year. This statement, titled Annual Financial Statement, is the main budget document. The annual financial statement shows the receipts and payments of government under the three parts in which government accounts are kept. 1. Consolidated fund. 2. Contingency fund. And 3. Public account. All revenues received by government, loans raised by it, and also its receipts from recoveries of loans granted by it from the consolidated fund. All expenditure of the government is incurred from the consolidated fund, and no amount can be withdrawn from the fund without authorization from the Parliament. Occasions may arise when the government may have to meet urgent unforeseen expenditure pending authorization from the Parliament. The contingency fund is an imprest placed at the disposal of the President to incur such expenditure. Parliamentary approval for such an expenditure and for withdrawal of an equivalent amount from the consolidated fund is subsequently obtained, and the amount spent from the contingency fund is subsequently recouped to the fund. The corpus of the fund authorized by the Parliament from April 2021 is 30,000. Besides the normal receipts and expenditure of the government which relate to the consolidated fund, certain other transactions enter government accounts in respect of which the government acts more as a banker. For example, transactions relating to provident funds, small savings collections, and other deposits, etc. The money thus received are kept in the public account, and the connected disbursement are also made therefrom. Parliamentary authorization for such payments from the public account is therefore not required. In a few cases, a part of the revenue of the government is set apart in separate funds for expenditure on specific objects like road development, primary education, including midday meal scheme, etc. These amounts are withdrawn from the consolidated fund with the approval of Parliament and kept in the public account for expenditure on the specific objects. The actual expenditure proposed on the specific objects is also submitted for vote of Parliament. Under the Constitution, budget has to distinguish expenditure on revenue account from other expenditure. Government budget therefore comprises 1. Revenue budget and 2. Capital budget.